Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can transform into Barbie. This is all going to be music. There's not going to be talking. Well, I should look at you guys, but I'm trying to show you guys the eyes closed, you know? Give you the full look. I should probably paint the rest of my body because I'm just not white. I should have been Teresa. Anyway, you guys, I hope that you guys like this look. This is my Barbie look. In this tutorial, I will not be talking. I might do a voiceover. I guess we'll see. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump into this video.
I'm back. Move.
Before we begin, I'm going to be applying some contact lens. These here are from Unico Eye. I will go ahead and link them down below in my description box for you guys. And I also have a discount code, so don't forget to check out the description box. These here are in the color Cherry Ocean. I'm going to begin by applying some Elmer's glue stick to my eyebrows, and this helps them set down and prevent them from moving, and also kind of like flattens them out with the spoolie brush. I repeat this step 3 times, but between each time I let the glue dry down completely. So you can take a blow dryer and just dry the glue down, and then just continue to repeat the step for about 3 times. Apply some setting powder over your eyebrows, and then apply some concealer to cover your eyebrows up. Now I'm taking my Jeffree Star concealer, and this one is in the shade C13. It's really light for me, so I'm just going to use it for this look because Barbie's white and I'm not, so let's just go ahead and use it. It's also very full coverage, so it's just perfect to cover up the eyebrows. Using my Laura Mercier foundation primer, this is the hydrating primer, and I really wanted to make sure that my face is hydrated for all the makeup that's going to be going on it. It just makes application flawless. I'm also using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop full coverage foundation, and I'm using the color Soft Beige. This is not my everyday color. This is the foundation that I use around winter time when my skin tone starts to get a little bit on the lighter side. Now I'm going in with Jeffree Star concealer in the color C13, and this is a really light concealer, so I just feel like it's perfect for this look since Barbie is a white girl, you know? After I have blended out my concealer, I'm going to begin to set the concealer with a setting powder. That way the concealer doesn't move or budge or anything like that. And I'm going to also take a white paint, and I'm just going to begin to create the eyes. Whenever you use paints, make sure that you wait for it to dry before applying a second layer, or else it will start to crack and it just won't look pretty. Once you're using that color, you want to take an eyeshadow of the same color and just set it in place so that, once again, it doesn't move or budge or anything like that. In this process, I'm just going to begin to create the eye shape, as you guys will be seeing. And I'm using the Mayron Paradise Makeup AQ 30 color palette. I'm going to go ahead and link that down below in the description box for you guys. All of the products will be down there. Just be sure that you're continuing to apply eyeshadows over that color every time so that you're able to continue to layer on without making the paints kind of... they just don't mesh together very well unless there is a base of powder on there. Now moving on to the eyeshadow portion of this video, I'm just gonna do an eyeshadow look as if I were doing it on my own eyes, except I'm doing it on top of my eyebrows. I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Jawbreaker palette, and I'm gonna be playing around with the pinks because we are Barbie. To create very natural brow strokes, I'm going to be using the Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit Cosmetics, and I am using the shade number 6. So I guess this is a brow tutorial in case you don't have eyebrows. I am teaching you guys how to create natural looking eyebrows with this pencil. I'm also using my Jeffree Star Concealer in C13 to carve out the eyebrows, and I'm just bringing it down into the eyeshadow just to create that brow highlight. And I'm also taking the color Jawbreaker from the Jawbreaker palette just to make that brow bone pop. Taking some black paint, I'm going to start to create some eyelashes. Now looking back at the eyelashes, I think I should have gone bigger, but that's fine. I'm also going to be using my NYX Cosmetics liquid eyeliner to create like the illusion of light hitting your eyes. I don't know. And girl, recently I received my first PR package from Benefit Cosmetics, and I'm going to be using my Hoola bronzer to warm up the face, create some contouring, to try to slim down my nose. But girl, I don't know how to contour my nose for the life of me. Look at me trying, girl. I'm trying here. Now the palette that I've been loving from my BOXYCHARM, this is the Too Faced Natural Face Palette. I'm going to be taking the pink shade from the palette to just make my cheeks really youthful, really Barbie. This is such a pretty pink. It's called Pink Wink. I also got hooked up from Laura Mercier with a PR package, first one, and I want to say thank you to you guys for supporting me and providing me with these opportunities to work with these companies. I am using the highlighter called Indiscretion, highlighting the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, and my cheekbones. Now I'm using my Sigma lip liner, and this one is called Heartbeat. For my lip color, I'm using Watermelon Soda from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I decided to also top it off with some lip gloss. This one here is from Ruby Kiss Cosmetics. And then moving along to my iconic London setting spray. This has a lot of sparkle to it, and I instantly regretted it.
I really messed up by applying the iconic spray because now I look way too shiny. So I'm going to try to touch up with some powder and hopefully some of the shine goes away. So just like in this area right here. Alright, let's finish up this look by applying a furry sweater. Was anyone planning on telling me that I was missing bottom eyelashes?
And that completes this Barbie look for Halloween this year. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. The only challenging part is getting the eyes to match, but it's very easy to do. I think that anyone can do this look if you want to be Barbie this year. Once you completed the eyes, you just do the rest of your face as you would do your makeup. Pop on a wig, put some pink accessories, and you're good to go. I do have a full review on this wig in my previous video, so don't forget to check that out, and hopefully I see you guys in my next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!